Where are we?
At North Pole.
We're at the North Pole? Is that where we're going to get some Christmas trees? Well, why don't you hold somebody's hand like Big Al's?
Okay, there we go.
Oh, you want to hold Mama or Daddy's hand? Cool. Can I get a little bit of video of you?
Who's gonna hold Hootie if you're holding Smell?
Oh, are you holding Hootie's hand? Look. You want me to hold Daddy's hand?
Let's
Okay.
here if we can.
Wow,
Yeah.
a little bulldozer. Here, let me hold this. I want you to look at some of these Christmas trees and tell me what you think, okay? What do you think about this Christmas tree right here?
You like this tree?
Look at that tree, Juju.
Look at this tree.
Ooh, smell it. Can you smell the tree?
There's much more up there. I think that's where we did the last time.
Oh boy.
Can you smell it? Smell it.
Mmm.
Smells like a Christmas tree, doesn't it?
So spiky.
It's so spiky. Uh-oh, you lost your buddy.
Oh, where's Hootie?
He's right here.
Oh, I'm gonna go see him.
You want Big Al to put Hootie Hoo in his pocket? Yeah, perfect. What's that? Is that a hose? Huh. Interesting.
Sat in that tractor seat.
Oh, she'd love that. Juju, do you want to go sit in that tractor?
Let's go.
You want to go sit with the bulldozer? Yeah. Well, we... Whoa. Okay. Just... Wow.
See?
You're in a bulldozer tractor. That's so cool. Oh, wow.
Change the gears.
Yeah, you want Hootie Hootie to get up there? Okay. That's a big one.
I found one.
You found one? Oh, you found a leaf. Whoa, can you throw them up in the air? Whoa. Okay. What do you have over there, Juju? What is that metal thing? Is that a tire iron?
Y'all liking what you see so far?
Oh yeah. They got our tree. Why don't you do it, because I'm clearly not the best driver. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna get it.
Can you check that out?
Sure. Yep.
Very excited. And all the friends.
Yes, all the friends. There you go. Excuse us.
And hold hands.
Yeah, we'll hold hands.
Yep, that's
Hold
it.
hands. All the everybody.
Oh, I promise. They're shaking all the things off the tree.
Yeah, take all the loose noodles. Yeah.
Oh, here's your,
Yeah, that's us.
here's the stuff. Okay, Juju. You want to go see if they're doing some tractor rides?
I'm not sure how often he goes.
Take them.
Yeah. Are you so excited?
Here's your tree. Let's sit up here in the front.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Is that the tractor?
Wow. Going on a tractor ride. How exciting. You have your tree. You're so lucky to be going on a tractor ride. We didn't know this was going to happen, did we?
Yeah.
That was her favorite part of the pumpkin patch. Well,
Yeah.
besides the corn playground, but she wanted to do... You probably can't come with us, can you? Okay. It's okay, I got it. Yeah. Excited?
Go
Here we're going on a ride.
Here we go.
Isn't this awesome? Your Christmas tree. Bumpy, bumpy. What are you doing right now, Juju? Are you on a ride? Cool. What do you have in your hand? You have a little Christmas tree? Wow.
Y'all want to look around, Dini?
All right.
Thank you.
Do you want to keep riding or do you want to get off?
Keep riding.
Keep riding.
Okay.
Oh, so there's the pictures.
Oh, I see.
They were cute. What?
Oh, that's sponsored by them.
Well, or they have an appointment, yeah. Sweet. What? Come out? What do you tell him? Say it real loud.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, was that fun or what?
Guess what we left open when he started loading the tree.
Oh, the sunroof.
Yeah. He said, oh, your sunroof's open.
That was so.
Was that fun?
Oh man, she loves some tractor rides. Loves them.